Hi, this is Keith from Pharmacy-Tech-Study.com, and this video is about question number 3 on bonus quiz 11. And this particular question approaches a common misconception in business math, especially we'll call it retail math. And so the first part of the video, I wanted to kind of explain what I mean by that and what the misconception is. And so let's start with an example. Let's say that there's an item at the store that you want and it costs $100. And so you're talking to the clerk about it and they tell you, well, if you wait until next week, you can get 30% off. And so you think, well, that's a much better deal. I'm going to save $30 right there, so I'm going to wait for that. And on your way home, you check your mail and you get a coupon from this same store because you're a loyal customer, and the coupon says they want to give you 20% off any one item in the store. And so you think, wow, I'm so glad I waited. Now I'm going to save an additional $20 right there with this coupon. Okay, and so later on you're talking with a friend and they remind you that, hey, if you wait until next Tuesday, it's Senior Tuesday, and since you're 68 years old, you'll get an extra 10% off of whatever you buy. And you think, wow, this is great. Look at this. I'm going to get 30 plus 20 plus 10%. That's 60% off. And so they go back to the store next Tuesday thinking that they're going to get this item for $100 minus 60% off, which if that was true, they would get for $40. And that would be cool if it worked that way, but unfortunately it doesn't. And I'm going to show you the way that it actually does work. Alright, so the way it really works is you have to take that $100 and then first take the 30% discount, come up with a new total, which in this case is $70, and then you take the next discount based on that new total. Okay, so we'll take 20% off of $70, and that gives us $56. And then lastly, you take your senior discount off of this, so now you're going to take that 10% off there, and so the grand total that you're really going to pay is $50.40, which, as you can see, is quite a bit different than what you thought had you been able to just group all these discounts together. And so this is the way it actually works, and a lot of people fall into this trap. In fact, I know for a fact that in retail they use this, we'll call it psychology, to get people into their stores, and that's why they send out % off coupons, this and that and the other, and that's kind of one of the restrictions that a lot of times people don't realize. And so anyway, that's how that works. So back to our question. Now the blood pressure monitor in the question is $100, and then it's 25% off, and so that makes our sale price $75. And then we're going to take our first discount, or our next discount, excuse me, which is 5% off of that, which is $71.25. And so that's the final price. And then from your final price, that's when you add sales tax on. So we're going to add 5% to that, which gives us our total of $74.81. Let's get the question back up on the screen here. And if we go over here and take a look, $74.81 is answer D. So that is our answer.